Sino yan, be? Sino yan?
Si Daddy.
Can I see it? Who's your daddy?
Coco Martin nga.
Hindi pa naman nagpe-play eh. Ayaw mag-play yan. Can I see it? Saan? Let's see. Let's see.
Hindi pa. Matagal pa.
Yun. Who's that, boy?
He's the boy.
Who's that?
He's best boy.
Best boy. Wow. What is his name?
He's Daddy Coco Martin.
Ah, your daddy? Huh? Is this your daddy? Huh?
Nothing ko.
Oh, what is your name?
Coco Martin.
You. What is your name?
Jessica Raymond Martin.
Wow. Are you okay na? Are you okay na?
Di ba wala pa, tapos na?
Oh, sit down na, sit down na. I can see it na. Wow, ang gwapo naman ng daddy mo, no?
Look! Ganda! Ganda! Ganda!
Gwapo naman ng daddy ni Zach. What is the name of your daddy?
Coco Martin.
Do you love your daddy?
Yes.
Do you love Coco Martin?
Yes.
Wow.
Others sang Trey.
Wow.
Diba?
Enough na, enough na. Huwag mo nang panoodin si daddy mo.
Okay na.
Okay na?
Okay na po, Mommy.
Okay.